progress. Yeah, it's gonna be a hell week for today's week and maybe next week. So that's gonna be a grind hard. And yeah, I have been maybe for me not doing consistent enough to post videos, but maybe that's not consistent. I think having the time to make a video and post it is kind of been a consistency. So well, or I might just gaslight myself. Just kidding. And anyway, I'm gonna sleep after I write this. After this, I'm gonna be cooking. I'm doing a lot of things, and I'm gonna study. But first, I'm gonna do all of the activity first and study. Well, on my birthday, I wanna be buying a tablet for my my investment. Or this could be my part of investing myself. And I was very into cinematography. Maybe I could make videos more cooler now. So I just need the right equipment because my all of my gadgets are surrounding here is kind of in low quality, really low. You can't even do editing, even basic stuff. Even the camera of this is very shit. Well, there's nothing to do about it though. But at least you're telling the at least the storytelling is quite good. I bet I could make it better. I need a lot of work. So that's it.
Yeah,
Peace.